Hey everyone, Tim Furlong coming back at you for my quarter turns. Just finished up with an amazing group out here in Las Vegas. I'm totally energized. So this week I want to talk about your beliefs, and specifically the beliefs you have about yourself. And I want to start though with some beliefs or opinions that were written about some well-known people and see if you can guess who they are. First one, skinny kid, lacks any sort of arm strength and physical stature, can't throw the ball down the field, probably is a system type player and won't really work out. That was the draft report on Tom Brady. The next one, this young man lacks any sort of creativity or imagination, and he was fired from a newspaper. Guess who that guy was? Walt Disney. This one's probably the best. This was written by a producer who had fired a young reporter who simply just got too emotionally involved with her subjects. Well, that was Oprah Winfrey. The one thing they all had in common, and I think was interesting, is that every one of them was told that they couldn't do something. And I guess what creates success is somebody has to tell you can't do something. But what's interesting is that was one person's belief, one person's opinion. And what was common about these folks, or uncommon, is that they didn't allow that opinion to limit them. In fact, it probably motivated them. And so this week I want to ask you, I hope you have people around you that support you and motivate you and believe in you. But my question is, what do you believe about yourself? What is that belief that is going to allow you to achieve at your next level? And more importantly, where have you allowed somebody else's limiting belief about you or opinion to maybe shape your reality or dictate what you might believe about yourself? Because if you want to be successful, then it's really about belief. And so what are your beliefs? How is that manifesting itself? And what are you going to believe about yourself moving forward? So with that, here's to you and your continued success, one quarter turn at a time.